guys, today we will review a flip phone pop and a surprise-o bag called a sack of surprises. Let's get things started with the sack of surprises. So this is the first time I'll review a candy. It's actually a food technically, but I'd still like to show it because this bag still has some toys. So let's see what kind of toys are in there. A red jawbreaker ball. A red or orange sucker. Some star candies that you choose. More of those star candies. Another red of those hard candies. Some jelly beans colored yellow, white, red, orange, and blue. A toy pterodactyl. Some similar candies. A crested dinosaur thing. And that's it. So that's all candy from that snack. Now, next up, we're going to look at the flip phone pop. So, it looks like a flip phone, and it's a candy, and it's watermelon flavored. It got all the buttons and dials and all the stuff you'd expect, with all the settings, and it has one of those maybe holographic moving screens. And then you get these two buttons on the side that you pinch, and this thing on the back in case you want to clip it to something so it'd stick or stay still. And if you open the flip note, you can see a candy. Yes, this is a candy, a pop. So you can flip this too, and you can also leave it like this. And you can even pretend it's a satellite like I did when I bought this before. And I think I'm going to eat it so I can tell you how good it tastes. If you are bored, I will show you this in the background. I know it's going to taste very good. It tastes really good. Okay, so remember this is watermelon flavored, so it's a watermelon flavored candy. And this is not a toy like last time, it's one of them had toys. It's actually nice. Okay, so let's see how good it tastes. It's so good, you should really try it. And that is my judgment, guys. Goodbye. See you soon. I hope you still like candy.